What's up, guys? This is my replacement package. Um, I ordered a round rail and a Berlinwood for my first package, but I got the wrong rail and the Berlinwood came damaged. So I was trying to contact them and I was barely receiving emails. The person I was talking to, she was really dismissive, and after filing a PayPal dispute, after like a whole week gone by, I filed a PayPal dispute and I got an email right away, which is sad. And they wanted to work with me and they sent me a replacement package. So I decided to change the rail. They charged me twice for shipping. So I asked if I can just get a bike rack, and they were cool with it. And I changed the color of the Berlinwood. There should be a red one in here, and that's about it. Let's see what's inside. And the package is not broken this time. As you can see, it's not broken. Alrighty, so let's.
Alright, so,
Yeah, that's that. That's the Berlinwood. It's a mini logo, 29mm, and here's the setup. I was like barely holding on. Volley chucks,
and white wheels. Let me just try like that.
the white wheels, volley chucks. Here's the Berlinwood.
Let's see. And this should be the bike rack.
I didn't know these things are so fragile. It's like I could just move it. Yeah, but looks good. Not much to say about it. I really don't have anything bad to say about it. It looks fine.
And here's the,
Green.
and that's about it. Now for the fingerboard. Let's see.
Here's the Berlinwood grip tape. Winkler wheels. Sticker. And the Berlinwood. I guess this is just how they make their Berlinwoods. Like for this one, it's like a crack going on like nearby the drill hole. See? What the first Berlinwood I got, it was like a huge crack going up to here, and the same for the bottom. It was like a huge one just going down. and I didn't want to just set it up and use it and then it just cracking even more.
That's about it. More stickers.
Berlin wood. How to. And this one. Alright guys. That's about it. Stay tuned.